Do you like eggs?
Yes, I like eggs. They are simple to cook and delicious. Sometimes I eat boiled eggs. Other times I eat fried eggs. Eggs give me protein and energy. I eat eggs almost every day.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I love rice very much. I eat rice every day. It is my main food. Rice goes well with vegetables, meat, or fish. Without rice, I feel hungry. Rice is very important in my meals.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I like noodles. They are soft and tasty. Sometimes I eat noodle soup. Other times I eat fried noodles. Noodles are quick and easy to cook. I enjoy them very much.
Do you like meat?
Yes, I like meat. Meat gives me protein and energy. I eat chicken, pork, and beef. Sometimes I also eat fish with meat. Meat makes my meals complete. I enjoy eating it with rice.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish. Fish is very healthy. It gives me vitamins and omega-3. Sometimes I eat grilled fish. Other times I eat fish soup. Fish is one of my favorite foods.
Do you like drinking juice?
Yes, I like juice very much. Juice is fresh and sweet. I enjoy orange juice and mango juice. Sometimes I drink juice with my meals. Juice is better than soft drinks. It makes me feel healthy and cool.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day. Water is very important for life. I drink about 6 to 8 glasses. Without water, I feel weak and tired. Water keeps my body fresh. Everyone needs to drink water daily.
Do you like soft drinks?
Yes, I like soft drinks sometimes. They are sweet and fizzy. I enjoy cola and orange soda. But I know they are not very healthy. I only drink them on special days. Water and juice are better for me.
Do you like tea with sugar or without sugar?
I like tea with a little sugar. Sweet tea tastes better to me. Sometimes I drink it with milk too. But I don't like tea that is too sweet. When I want to feel light, I drink tea without sugar. Both are nice depending on the time.
Do you like eating snacks?
Yes, I like eating snacks. Sometimes I eat chips or biscuits. Snacks are tasty, but not always healthy. I usually eat them in the afternoon. They make me feel happy for a short time, but I try not to eat too many snacks.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes. I enjoy looking at different colors and styles. Sometimes I go with my friends, and sometimes with my family. I usually choose simple and comfortable clothes. Shopping makes me feel happy and excited. I also like to wear new clothes to school or events.
Do you like shopping for food?
Yes, I like shopping for food. I go to the market or supermarket. I enjoy choosing fresh fruits and vegetables. Sometimes I help carry the food home. Shopping for food is part of daily life. It is also fun when I go with family.
Do you like going to the supermarket?
Yes, I like going to the supermarket. It is big and has many things. I can buy food, clothes, and household items there. Everything is clean and organized. Sometimes I just walk around to look. The supermarket is very useful.
Do you like visiting your relatives?
Yes, I like visiting my relatives. We talk and share stories together. Sometimes we eat meals as a family. Visiting makes me feel close to them. I learn many things from older relatives. Spending time with them is always special.
Do you like visiting your friends?
Yes, I enjoy visiting my friends. We play games and talk about many things. Sometimes we do homework together. Visiting friends makes me happy. It also makes our friendship stronger. Friends are an important part of my life.
Do you like going to the library?
Yes, I like going to the library. The library is quiet and peaceful. I can read many books there. Sometimes I borrow books to take home. The library helps me study better. It is one of my favorite places.
Do you like studying at home?
Yes, I like studying at home. At home, I feel comfortable and relaxed. I have my books and materials near me. Sometimes I play soft music while studying. It helps me focus and learn better. Studying at home is very useful for me.
Do you like studying at school?
Yes, I like studying at school. I can learn from my teachers directly. I also study with my classmates. We ask questions and share ideas. School gives me discipline and routine. Studying at school is very important.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love learning English. English helps me talk to people from other countries. I can read books and watch movies in English. It is also important for my future. Sometimes it is difficult, but I keep practicing. English is very useful in daily life.
Do you like learning math?
Yes, I like learning math. Math is about numbers and problem solving. Sometimes it is hard, but I enjoy challenges. Math helps me think logically. I use math in shopping, cooking, and many activities. Math is important in life.
Do you like learning science?
Yes, I like learning science. Science teaches me about the world. I learn about plants, animals, and the human body. I also learn about the Earth and space. Science makes me curious and excited. It is one of my favorite subjects.
Do you like learning history?
Yes, I like learning history. History teaches me about the past. I learn about kings, leaders, and old times. It shows how people lived before us. History also teaches lessons for today. It is very interesting to study.
Do you like learning geography?
Yes, I like geography. Geography teaches me about countries and places. I learn about rivers, mountains, and maps. I also learn about different cultures. Geography makes me understand the world better. It is a very useful subject.
Do you like learning art?
Yes, I enjoy learning art. Art lets me be creative. I can draw, paint, and make crafts. Art classes are fun and colorful. They make me feel relaxed and happy. Art is a special part of education.
Do you like learning music?
Yes, I like learning music. Music makes life more beautiful. In music class, I learn songs and instruments. Singing with friends is very fun. Music helps me express my feelings. I always feel happy in music class.
Do you like learning sports at school?
Yes, I like sports class at school. Sports make my body strong and active. I play football, volleyball, and other games. Sports also teach me teamwork. Playing with friends is always fun. Sports are very important for health.
Do you like learning computers?
Yes, I like learning computers. Computers are very useful today. I learn typing, drawing, and searching on the internet. They also help me study English and other subjects. Computer skills are important for the future. I always enjoy computer class.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, I like my teachers very much. They are kind and helpful. They teach me many things. Sometimes they give advice for life. Teachers make me feel encouraged to study. I am thankful for them.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes, I like my classmates. We study and play together. Sometimes we help each other with homework. Classmates make school fun. We share many good memories. They are part of my daily life.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school. My school is big and beautiful. I learn many subjects there. I also make friends and enjoy activities. The teachers are kind and supportive. School is like my second home.
Do you like cleaning the house?
Yes, I like cleaning the house. A clean house makes me feel happy. I sweep the floor and wash the dishes. Sometimes I help clean the windows and tables. Cleaning is hard work, but it is important. I feel proud when the house looks nice.
Do you like washing clothes?
Yes, I like washing clothes. Clean clothes smell fresh and nice. Sometimes I wash by hand and sometimes by machine. I also like drying clothes in the sun. Washing takes time but is necessary. Wearing clean clothes makes me feel comfortable.
Do you like ironing clothes?
Yes, I like ironing clothes. Ironed clothes look neat and smart. Sometimes I iron my school uniform. I have to be careful because the iron is hot. It takes time, but it is useful. I feel good wearing ironed clothes.
Do you like making your bed?
Yes, I like making my bed every morning. A neat bed makes my room look nice. It also makes me feel organized. It only takes a few minutes to do. Making the bed is a good habit. I always try to do it daily.
Do you like cooking rice?
Yes, I like cooking rice. Rice is easy to cook. I wash it and put it in the rice cooker. Sometimes I cook it on the stove. I feel proud when the rice is soft and tasty. Cooking rice is a basic skill for me.
Do you like cooking soup?
Yes, I like cooking soup. Soup is simple and delicious. I use vegetables, chicken, or fish. Sometimes I add noodles too. Cooking soup makes me feel creative. My family enjoys eating it.
Do you like going to sleep early?
Yes, I like going to sleep early. Sleeping early makes me wake up fresh. I feel strong and active in the morning. If I sleep late, I feel tired. Early sleep is good for health. That is why I try to do it.
Do you like waking up late?
Sometimes I like waking up late. It feels good to rest more. But if I wake up late, I lose time. I cannot do many things in the morning. It also makes me feel lazy, so I prefer waking up early.
Do you like doing homework?
Yes, I like doing homework. Homework helps me practice lessons. It makes me understand subjects better. Sometimes homework is difficult, but I try. Doing it improves my knowledge. Homework is part of learning.
Do you like helping your friends?
Yes, I like helping my friends. Sometimes I share my books with them. I also explain lessons when they do not understand. Helping makes our friendship stronger. My friends also help me in return. Helping others makes me happy.
Do you like helping your family?
Yes, I like helping my family. I help with cooking and cleaning. Sometimes I take care of younger children. Helping makes family life easier. It also teaches me responsibility. I feel proud when I help my family.
Do you like taking a shower?
Yes, I like taking a shower. It makes me feel fresh and clean. I usually take a shower in the morning and evening. In hot weather, I enjoy cool showers. In cold weather, I prefer warm showers. Showers are important for health.
Do you like brushing your teeth?
Yes, I like brushing my teeth. Clean teeth make me feel fresh. I brush in the morning and before bed. It also keeps my teeth healthy and white. Sometimes I use toothpaste with mint. Brushing teeth is a good daily habit.
Do you like washing your face?
Yes, I like washing my face. It makes me feel clean. I usually wash in the morning and before bed. Cold water helps me wake up. Washing also helps my skin stay healthy. It is a simple but important habit.
Do you like combing your hair?
Yes, I like combing my hair. It makes me look neat. I usually comb in the morning. Sometimes I comb again during the day. Combing is easy and quick. It is part of my daily routine.
Do you like wearing shoes?
Yes, I like wearing shoes. They protect my feet. Shoes also make me look smart. I wear them at school and outside. At home, I usually wear slippers.
Shoes are important for walking comfortably.
Do you like wearing a hat?
Yes, I like wearing a hat. Hats protect me from the sun. Sometimes I wear a hat in the rain, too. They also make my outfit look nice. I have different hats at home. Wearing a hat is useful and fun.
Do you like listening to stories?
Yes, I like listening to stories. Stories are interesting and exciting. I learn new ideas from them. Sometimes my teacher tells us stories in class. I also listen to stories from my parents. Stories make learning enjoyable.
Do you like telling stories?
Yes, I like telling stories. I enjoy sharing them with my friends. Sometimes I tell funny stories. Other times, I tell stories I learned from books. Storytelling makes me confident. It is a fun way to practice speaking.
Do you like your daily life?
Yes, I like my daily life. Every day, I learn something new. I spend time with family and friends. I enjoy school, food, and activities. Sometimes life is busy, but it is good. Daily life makes me grow and be happy.